The ketogenic or keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet. It usually contains animal products like meat, fish, and poultry. Ketogenic diet is a high-fat diet that limits carb intake to 20 to 50 grams per day. This ultra-low carb intake promotes ketosis, a metabolic state in which your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. Health benefits: promotes weight loss, protects against chronic diseases, supports blood sugar control. Today in this video, we will share with you a list of top 10 vegetable which promotes ketogenic diet. Let's take a look at some of these foods. Number 1, butter lettuce is perfect for your keto lifestyle as it's carb free and about 80% fat. It is an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium and iron. It helps to fortify bones and fight off inflammatory diseases. 2. Spinach is also low in carbs, but the carbs become more concentrated as the leaves are cooked down. 1 cup of raw spinach contains 1 gram of carbs with almost 1 gram of fiber. 60 calories and 3 gram net carbs per tortilla. They are perfect for your low carb diet. 3. Romaine lettuce, a dark green color, long leaves and crunchy texture make it a very popular salad base. Romaine contains folate, vitamin A and vitamin K. It contains 2 gram of carbs in a 50 gram of portion. 1 cup of shredded romaine lettuce contains 1.5 gram of carbs. 4. Asparagus has just 2 grams of net carbs per 1 cup chopped and it is super versatile. It has vitamin C, beta carotene, vitamin E and the minerals zinc, manganese and selenium. It includes antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, anti-cancer compounds and anti-diabetes. 5. Celery, which is about 96% water and low carb and it will give crunch and flavor to any dish. It has vitamin A, K and C plus minerals like potassium, folate and low in sodium. 1 cup chopped of celery offers 3 grams of total carbs, 1.4 grams of net carbs, 0.2 gram of fat and 0.7 gram of protein. 6. A cup of cut scallions has about 10% of the fiber you need for the whole day. Antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols undown free radical substances that can lead to cancer, inflammation and age-related diseases. Scallions are an excellent way to top off your keto dishes, soups and salads for extra flavors. 7. It contains 2 grams of carbs in a 50 gram portion. 1 cup of shredded iceberg lettuce contains 2 gram of carbs. It has a low in fiber. It has a high water content, making it refreshing choice during hot weather. It also provides calcium, potassium, vitamin C, and folate. 8. Eggplant is a great vegetable and it has a low carb but also loaded with a fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Eggplant contains 6 grams of digestible carbs per serving and may help to protect heart and brain health. Eggplant has a rich, meaty inside that takes on a creamy consistency when you cook it. 9. Cucumbers are very low in carbs. 100 grams of sliced cucumber contains only 2 grams of carbs. Cucumber has a health benefits including weight loss, balanced hydration, digestive regularity, and lower blood sugar levels. Packed with vitamins, dietary fiber, and water, cucumber helps in indigestion. 10. It has a 2 grams of net carbs per cup shredded. Cabbage is delicious when stuffed into keto fajitas, used in soups, or made into coleslaw with a rich, creamy, high-fat dressing. Cabbage also helps keep skin looking healthy, toned, blemish free, and glowing.